Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So gold has been very, very bearish so far this month. We may have started the bigger wave four, and if we did start the big wave four, then we're probably in for a correction that will last about the same time as this wave two did. That wave two lasted about 6 months, so it definitely wouldn't be too uncommon to see this thing last potentially 6 months of sideways corrective action before it actually goes up and makes a wave five. It's really important that you understand that when a pattern starts at the higher time frame, you have to be realistic about how long this pattern will take. If it really is a wave forward, then it will definitely take about 5 to 6 months to complete. Heading down to the weekly time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on only the last impulsive up, because there is a chance that it's only a correction to this last wave, not a correction to the whole wave three. So if it's only a correction to this last wave, then it's actually still part of the wave three. So we do have to be a little bit careful. I mean, it might just be making a smaller, much smaller correction, something like this, lasting maybe only several weeks before it actually does continue back up. Maybe it's a wave 4 and 5 of wave 3 still. We definitely don't have a breakup structure of the wave 3 yet, so it definitely still could be part of a wave 3. So heading down to the daily time frame, I think this first push down is very obviously a wave 3, which it does have 5 waves. You would expect also, because it took out the low of wave 4, that it probably would start a move to the upside, which would likely be a question to the move down, wave B, and probably back down again eventually for a wave C. So even if this is the smaller ABC correction like what I'm drawing now, and not the 6 month ABC that we would expect if it really is the monthly time frame wave 4, even if it is just a smaller one, it's still probably going to last several weeks before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. So 4 hour time frame definitely still in an uptrend. We do not have a breaker structure yet. This is the breaker structure I'd be keeping an eye for. And honestly, even if it does break that, it definitely doesn't mean that it's going up for a wave B. It could just be another correction to the last wave down. So I would totally expect it to possibly go up and make like a big push up for an A and then a wave B and then up again for a wave C, and this would be an ABC of B. But we don't really know yet. This could just be making a correction to this last wave down, and it could possibly continue the downtrend. If it really is that big wave 4 on the monthly time frame, then it may actually just keep going down for and still all be part of a wave A. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. So yes, it is kind of drifting up right now, but it has not broken structure. So what does that mean to me? That means that there's always a chance that it could just keep on trending down. We do suspect that this is a good place to end the wave A because it just recently took out the wave 4 low on the daily time frame. So it definitely does seem like a really good place to see that break of structure, confirming the wave A is over. But until we actually get that break, we don't know. And it possibly could make another lower high and just keep on going down. So as always, if it continues to make lower lows, lower highs, then you definitely should be continuing to look for shorts on these sort of time frames. If it does break structure, the first thing I would do is throw my Fibonacci retracement on the whole move down and try to observe whether it's making an ABC correction to the last move down or whether it's making an impulsive trend reversal for the wave A of wave B. So either way, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.